EcoCharge comes in to be able to cap the struggles that we're facing right now, deforestation, global warming, and also employment. We manufacture biomass briquettes from agricultural waste. Since joining KCIC, the SWIFT program, we have been able to benefit in various ways. One, they have been able to give us financing. This went into us buying one new machine, and we have been able to double our production. Two, we have been able to receive technical assistance. With this, we have been able to increase our skills. We have also been provided mentors who come in on a day-to-day to be able to help us structure and also have efficient production. In the next 5 years, we see ourselves being able to capture Africa, mainly the SADC area, and also the international market where KCIC is coming in hand to introduce us to the Estonian markets.